this video, we will show how to manually regenerate the water softener. Press and hold the Set Regen button for several seconds until you see this screen. You can arrange for the softener to regenerate this evening at the factory setting of 2 a.m. by pressing the Set Regen button to make the word delay flash, then press the Set Regen button again to lock it in, followed by the menu button to back out. By doing so, you have now queued a regeneration to perform this evening at 2 in the morning. However, if you wish the water softener to perform a regeneration immediately, press and hold the Set Regen button for approximately 3 seconds until this screen appears again. This time, you're going to press the Set Regen button to make the word delay flash, and then use the arrow down or up button to change it to read immediate. Then press the Set Regen button to lock in your choice, followed by the menu button to back out. You'll notice that the control valve has initiated an immediate regeneration. The first cycle for this softener is backwash. The screen will flash as shown until the control valve arrives at the backwash cycle. Once it arrives at the cycle, you'll notice that the time remaining starts to flash. It'll count down to 0, and once complete, it'll advance to the next cycle on its own, which for this softener is brine draw. Again, it'll start flashing until the control valve arrives at the brine draw cycle. Once the control valve arrives at the cycle, only the time remaining will continue to flash. Again, when the time remaining is 0, the control valve will advance to the next cycle on its own, which in this case is the rinse cycle. Again, the screen will continue to flash until the control valve arrives at the rinse cycle. Once the control valve has arrived to the rinse position, the time remaining will flash and count down to 0. And once it's counted down to 0, the control valve will advance to the final cycle, which is Brine Refill. Again, the screen will flash until the control valve arrives at the refill cycle. Upon arrival, only the time remaining will flash and count down to 0. Once it is completed refilling the brine tank with water, the control valve will advance on its own back to the service position. Once the screen stops flashing and shows the current time of day on the screen, this indicates that the softener has completed a full regeneration and now is ready to provide soft water to your home.
Visit us at www.canaturewg.com.